Take your time.
All of this is just off.
I know Frankie Pro, that's well going, guys. So yeah, Bussweh there again today. And today I come for capture some steel pan action. You see me? I get for understand say yo, my friend them play steel pan today. So you know me jump in my shower and jump out of my house and jump in my car and jump in the UWI, you see me? So I'm there up at UWI Mona right now, big up UWI, alma mater. So here we go on. I see them drive go up this now and tell me the wrong location. I'm going to see them drive go up there. So I'm going to meet them now. Stay tuned and make me show you a little steel pan. Them finally reach, you see me, after me drive go way around, so I know one part of people that look on my way. So yeah, we're finally there now, so forward. I'm going to show you how I'm going. So we have Amani over here, sir. He's from Antigua, by the way, and he's a professional steel pan player. And over there we have Jenny. She a ravers / business personnel. And then we have the next steel pan general over here, so I don't know what you're doing right here, sir, but you need to come say hi to the camera. So yeah, we have Camille right here.
Hi!
The great Camille.
Camille the great.
Makeup nice. Anyway, take you to great. You see me? So yeah, so I'm gonna show you a little what them do on a normal day, you see me? In terms of like steel pan playing. So yeah, check this out, guys, and tell me what you think.
Kelly on the beat, boy.
Say she all about the G. Me. G. My girl, you know your thing.
So that is a wrap, you see me? So yeah, we just done play some steel pan, and I know I like it, you see me? So big up Amani and big up Camille.
The great
Camille.
Make sure to follow us on Instagram at Camille the Great and
Mani, MARNI_268.
Alright, so make sure to follow, you see me?
just make sure to spell my name correctly.
Def. So we finally reached. You see me? Apparently the man them did have to wait for me a little extra. Kinda get late, the place I get dark, so we'll see how quick we can start shooting, you see me? So let me just introduce you to the man them. Over here, so we have Philip. Martin. So we have Dapper Dan. Up top. Optician. The name Keisia. You don't know, we have Pedro Dan, that boy. Pedro.
Don't know outside.
We have the great 300
I don't know if me go win because it's shot fast.
The name, bro.
Adrian, but me
And we have Adrian over here. Alright. Him out there so cameraman, you see me?
Yeah,
him follow us anywhere we go.
But make me turn now, give me this. I'm all like
See
see me there.
I'm a friend, I'm a good
See me,
I'm a real friend.
see me. Me not laugh with nobody. I'm gonna tell you, everybody's afraid for talk. Yeah? Time? Alright, we done talk then. Let's watch the track. Watch the video.
So yeah, we get with TK 3,500 for 6 laps, I think, of the supercar. Them that the one them will go like 300 miles an hour. So when they say we go so ning, ning, ning. You don't know.
If you don't have a ticket, you don't have a chance.
Don't have a chance.
Where you say?
Alright, so we are saying we're there.
Oh, look at the camera. As in really recorded.
We are here.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're there and
One bag of things are going. What's up, guys? Things are going. All right, guys.
Go, yes, then.
This is the only color you should be looking out for, Nakisha. Just watch it, you know.
Go, blue team.
Just watch it.
Bussweh, how you feeling?
feeling.
Good, I'm feeling.
Only live once. Let's do it.
Summer feel.
Number 2. How you feeling before the race, sir?
Oh, that's a good question. I'm confused because I don't flat.
Mad. Number 7.
7-star general, alright? Keisha, you run here for you. When there.
Number 9. How you
Don't know.
feeling?
They are ready for the race. It's him. Sorry, I said it's not on a light on him type of thing there.
Well,
Ready for it.
man, let's see your helmet.
No man say me.
No, I said 2 never did 2.
Vampire number 10, my G. How you feeling? You feel sad?
I'm trying to see Bussweh forward because it's rough still.
You're taking the bad number. Taking it. Nervous. Taking the bad number.
Bumper 13. Know what that means?
Driver, I'm nervous.
Okay, number 8.
I mean, man, I don't everything calm, you know.
You say I
Calm.
win.
Yeah, man, the race done already.
Mad.
It look like I run me after the run it out in the G
Yeah, see ya.
How would that, boy?
Just on brake, but not together. The brakes are very sharp.